Have you ever heard someone call a koala bear? It's a common misconception that many people make. It's an easy mistake to make. The name koala bear is misleading because koalas are not bears at all. With their fluffy ears, cuddly appearance, and tree-dwelling habits, koalas might seem bird-like or even bear-like at first glance. But don't be fooled. These adorable creatures aren't birds or bears at all. They belong to a completely different category of animals. Koalas are actually marsupials, a unique group of mammals found primarily in Australia. Marsupials are fascinating because they have a very distinct way of raising their young. This means that instead of laying eggs like birds, koala mothers give birth to tiny, underdeveloped young. These newborns are incredibly small and fragile. These little joeys then crawl into their mother's pouch, a special pocket on their belly, where they continue to grow and develop. The pouch provides a safe and nurturing environment for the joey. So while koalas might share some similarities with birds in terms of their habitat and appearance, they're distinctly different creatures with their own fascinating characteristics. Their unique lifestyle and reproductive process make them one of the most interesting animals in the world. Koalas are instantly recognizable with their soft, woolly fur that ranges in color from gray to brown. This fur not only keeps them warm but also provides a layer of protection against the elements. Their thick coat is perfectly suited for the varying climates of their natural habitat. Their big, round ears and black, button-like noses give them a permanently surprised expression that melts hearts worldwide. These features are not just adorable, but also functional. The large ears help them detect predators and communicate with other koalas, while their sensitive noses are essential for identifying the best eucalyptus leaves to eat. Koalas are perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. They spend most of their lives in trees, moving gracefully among the branches. Their bodies are built for climbing, with strong muscles and a low center of gravity that helps them balance. They have strong, clawed hands and feet designed for gripping branches and climbing trees. These claws are incredibly sharp and can dig into the bark, providing a firm hold even on the smoothest surfaces. These claws are so powerful that koalas can even sleep comfortably while hanging upside down. This unique ability allows them to rest safely away from ground predators, ensuring they get the sleep they need. Found primarily along Australia's eastern and southeastern coast, koalas prefer to live in eucalyptus forests where their favorite food source is plentiful. Eucalyptus leaves are not only their main diet but also provide most of their hydration needs, as koalas rarely drink water. This specialized diet makes their habitat crucial for their survival. Koalas are incredibly specialized eaters. Their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, a food source that most other animals find toxic and unpalatable. But koalas have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down the tough, fibrous leaves and extract nutrients. They even have special bacteria in their gut that help to detoxify the harmful compounds found in eucalyptus. However, this specialized diet comes with a downside. Eucalyptus leaves are very low in energy, which explains why koalas spend so much time sleeping. If there's one word to describe a koala's lifestyle, it's relaxed. Koalas are famous for their sleepy nature, spending up to 20 hours a day dozing in the forks of eucalyptus trees. This lethargy is a direct result of their low-energy diet. To conserve energy, koalas have a very slow metabolism. They move slowly and deliberately, only becoming active for short periods to feed or change trees. This slow-paced lifestyle might seem boring, but it's a successful strategy for survival in their challenging environment. Section 5. Beyond the fur-fascinating koala facts. Koalas are full of surprises. Did you know that koalas have fingerprints that are so similar to human fingerprints that they could taint crime scenes? It's true. Their fingerprints have evolved to be remarkably like ours, which is a fascinating example of convergent evolution. Another amazing fact is that koala milk contains a powerful antibiotic that helps to protect their vulnerable joeys from disease. These are just a few of the many incredible adaptations that make koalas such unique and fascinating creatures. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction, koala myths debunked. There are many misconceptions about koalas. These adorable marsupials are often misunderstood, leading to a variety of myths that need to be debunked. One common myth is that koalas are drunk or high from eating eucalyptus leaves. This is not true. The idea likely comes from their slow movements and sleepy demeanor. While eucalyptus leaves do contain compounds that can cause drowsiness, koalas have evolved to metabolize these compounds efficiently. Their bodies are specially adapted to handle the toxins in the leaves. Their sleepy behavior is simply a result of their low-energy diet, not intoxication. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutrients and require a lot of energy to digest, which is why koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day. Another myth is that koalas don't need to drink water. This misconception likely arises because they get most of their moisture from eucalyptus leaves. While it's true that they get most of their moisture from eucalyptus leaves, koalas do drink water, especially during hot weather or droughts. In fact, during extreme conditions, they have been observed coming down from trees to find water sources, showing their adaptability and resilience in the wild. Section 7. An Aussie icon: koalas in culture and conservation. Koalas are more than just cute and cuddly animals. They're a national icon in Australia. Their image is used to promote tourism, sell products, and represent the country's unique biodiversity on the world stage. However, despite their iconic status, koalas are facing a growing number of threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, bushfires, and urbanization is pushing koalas into smaller and more isolated populations. Disease, climate change, and vehicle strikes are also taking a toll on their numbers. Section 8. A call to action: protecting Australia's teddy bears. It's up to us to ensure that these incredible creatures have a future. By supporting organizations that are working to protect koala habitat, promoting responsible tourism practices, and spreading awareness about the challenges koalas face, we can all play a part in their conservation. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonder of these iconic Australian animals.